We are here!
Just cut the lawns.
Guys, ang ganda! Ganda ng bahay. Ang laki. Wow! Hi guys! Nandito kami sa beach house na nirentahan namin. And gagawa ako ng ano guys, parang tour. Tour! Kasi kapag inano ko na, kapag sinali ko to sa vlog, parang sobrang hahaba yung vlog. Ang ganda guys! Grabe, ang laki! Babe, how many beds? Okay, wait. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung labas. Tapos pasok tayo. So, ito yung labas, guys. Gustong-gusto ko yung kulay ng bahay. Yan. Wala, uy. Tapos, pwedeng mag-park dito. Pasok tayo, guys. Ito yung door. Yan. Ala, ay, I like the floor. Gusto ko siya. Okay, and then, una mo makikita is ito. Wow. I like it. Amoy bago pa siya. Tapos yan. Hello, gustong-gusto ko yung kulay. And then, first one is this. Ito yung room namin ni Dan. Babe, this is our room. We have the single bed. Dito kami. Uy, okay na. Uy, kasyang-kasya kami ni Dan dyan sa isa. I like that. So, dyan kami, guys. And then, dito yung mga bata. Babe, we're right next to the kids. Dito yung mga bata matutulog. Malaki naman yung single bed. It's really good. Tapos, dito, merong toilet. So, at least malapit kami sa toilet. Kaya lang toilet lang to, walang bath. And then, ito guys, meron silang paganyan. So, pwede namin ilagay yung luggage namin dyan. And then, meron silang taas. So, mamaya na tayo sa taas. Dito muna tayo sa baba. Wait. So, nandito yung laundry area. Pwede kami mag-laundry dito. Yan. Tapos, may sink. Hala, uy, amoy bago siya. Yan. And then, paglabas, merong dalawang beds. Turn on the lights then. And then, ito yung kina Love at saka Mark. Yan. And then, dito naman sa kabila, I think ito yung kay Tony at saka kay Lyra. Yan. Hindi siya ganun kalaki na bedroom, pero okay na okay lang, ha? And then, yan na. Meron pa silang guitar. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Oh, meron siyang paganyan na maliit. This is so cool. Alright, akyat tayo, guys. Akyat tayo. So, meron tayong pa-stair dyan. Halo, uy, gusto ko itong bahay na to. Babe, I'm going upstairs. Ang ganda. Bagong-bago siya. Meron siyang mga scratches. Asa na yan? Yan. Pero okay lang. Wow! Guys! Look at this! Oh my gosh! Ang laki. Hala, gustong-gusto ko itong mga detail na to, oh. Papakita ko sa inyo yung view, guys, kasi ang ganda ng view. And the kitchen! Yay! So, dito kami magluluto. Kami! Tutulong ako. Pero sabi ni Manay, wag kang tumulong. Ikaw bahala sa mga bata. So, I'll do that. Oh, the fridge is massive, guys. Tingnan natin yung fridge. Yes! Mafi-fit natin lahat dito, mga beige. And yan. And then, merong door dito. I think this is the pantry. Oh no, it's locked. It's locked. Pero ang ganda. Gustong-gusto ko yung floor. Mas prefer ko ganitong floor kaysa sa tiles. Mas gusto ko siya. And sobrang aliwalas niya, tingnan. So, dyan, meron tayong dining table. Ganyan. Yung couch, guys, ang ganda. Wait, so dyan yung dining table. Gustong-gusto ko din yung mga artwork nila. Kasi very, tingnan. Very peaceful tingnan. Hindi, you know, parang konting kulay lang. Hindi like sobrang over makulay. And then, yung mga ganyan. Yeah, I know. Look at the kitchen. Kitchen looks good. And then, gusto ko din yan. I like it. Tapos ito, really nice. Meron silang mga details dito. I love this clock. Gusto ko yan. Yan. And then guys, yung labas. My gosh, pwede kami mag-stargazing dito. Matutuloy na talaga yung stargazing. What's here? What a time. Thank you for having us. The view and beds were amazing. Ah, okay. Ito yung mga, ng mga guest. Yan, okay. Wala naman akong sinusulat. Hindi ko alam kung paano magsulat-sulat ng mga ganito. Babe, you write something how when we leave? The view and beds were amazing. That's what the previous guest said, babe.
That's true.
Pero, before tayo pumunta sa labas, tingnan muna natin to guys. Tingnan nyo nga ito. Oh. Oh. Yan. Ang ganda. Ang laki ng couch na to. Pwede kaming mag-video kay Jan, karaoke. Tapos merong table. And, tingnan natin yung bath. Kasi parang nandito yung shower eh. Wait, merong maliit na door dito. Lock din siya. Ito is another toilet. Toilet lang siya. Asan yung shower? Hello. May mga cabinets. There you go. Meron naman silang paunti-unting mga laman, like toilet papers, merong tissue, kasi nagdala kami ng toilet paper eh. Kasi hindi siya parang hotel, guys. Ano lang talaga siya, parang Airbnb, pero hindi. Yung nag-ano dito is real estate, so hindi siya Airbnb. Yeah, hindi ko ba alam kung paano ito nahanap ni Dan, pero yeah, he did a good job as usual. Now, itong room na to is yung room ni Manay. So, sa kanila yung master's bedroom. Hala, ang ganda ng painting na yan. Wait, on natin yung ilaw. Ay, yellow yung ilaw. Pero yan, meron silang sariling TV. Ganyan. And meron silang ensuite. Yan. Asan kaya yung isang shower? Kasi dito meron silang shower na kanila. There. And then yan. Yan. Bathtub. And then yan. Meron naman palang mga toilet paper. So, okay lang. Ay, meron pang blow dryer si Manay. Ikaw na talaga, Manay. Babe, where's the other shower? Where's the other shower?
Should be downstairs.
No, there are only toilets. The shower is only in the ensuite. Let me check. I-check ko, guys, ha? Kasi good luck. Paano kami mag-shower lahat?
This is not a shower down here.
Yeah, must be, right? Asan na, babe? No, nothing, babe. Oh! Oh, yeah, there is. Guys, na-miss natin to. Meron pala dito sa likod ng ano. Paano ka ba i-open? Yan. Okay. Bongga! Yay! Nice, guys, ha? Lumabas nga tayo dun sa ano, babe. Dito yung kwarto namin ni Dan. Yan, maliit. Pero okay lang, ha? Okay na okay lang. Tapos malapit pa kami sa labas. So, meron kaming view. Wait. Oh. Oy, nice! Oh. Nice yung view namin. Ay, gusto ko to. Upo-upo tayo dito. Parang tanga lang. Okay. Hala, ang ganda naman dito. And it's comfy! Yay! The bed is comfy, babe! It's comfy. We will fit here.
Yeah, we'll fit on it.
Try! Right here.
We'll fit on here.
This is a nice bed.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
This is fine.
It's a really nice bed.
Yeah.
Yay! Ay, guys, may pa-OOTD pa sila na mirror. Nasaan na yun? Yan. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Gusto ko ganitong mirror sa bahay. Sobrang ganda, guys. How much did we pay for this?
$830.
Yeah, so $830 siya, guys. Tapos, hati kaming 4 na couples. So, we spend just over $200 para sa aming lahat na yun. Yeah, and ang ganda na. For 3 days na rin yun, guys, ha? Oh my gosh, the view! Tingnan nyo. See? Yan. Yan yung labas. My gosh, ang ganda. Hello, pwede kaming mag-ano dito, mag-budol fight. Kasi plano namin mag-budol fight, magluluto sila. Hello, ang ganda dito, grabe. Pasensya na kung lagi ko sinasabi ang ganda. Kasi ang ganda talaga. Tapos malaki siya, guys. Tingnan nyo yung view. Hala, uy. Tapos may pa-barbecue. Pack! Oh. Hala, uy, pwede ako mag-OOTD dito. Ang ganda ng floor. Yan. I like this. Good job, babe. This is really nice, yeah. I love the colors. This is like our thing. Like the colors in Ish. Those chairs looks really good. And ito, ang ganda din ng chair niya, oh. How much do you think this house is worth?
I'm not sure. I was thinking how much would it cost if you were telling me on this. I don't
Sorry?
know. I don't know, but
Expensive.
I like it. No, it's wouldn't be.
Oh, really?
Nah. It
This
wouldn't be.
big?
Yeah. Because it's made of wood.
Yeah, I know. I actually really like the floor, babe. Dinala niya yung light and easy niya, guys. I think si Tony at saka si Lyra on the way na umuna kami kasi kukunin pa namin yung key. Tapos hindi pa namin kasi sure kung available yung key. Kasi sabi nila 2 PM yung check-in. Eh, ano na? Anong oras pa? Wala pang... Hala, bakit tsaka yung ano ko, babe? My watch, it's not moving. So, yun dito, guys. 2 PM yung check-in. Tapos, yung check-out is 10 in the morning. Yun lang, para siyang hotel. Alas 10 ng umaga yung check-out. Parang ang aga, diba? Kagigising mo lang, alis na agad. Tapos, we need to make sure as well na malinis, na walang, na, like, you know, malinis siya before kami umalis. Kasi, kapag hindi, parang kukunin nila yung pera sa bond namin. I love this table as well. Look at this. Yan. Maganda dito pang family, ha, babe? Like, I think your mom will love it here.
Oh.
Yeah. As in,
I'll come
sobrang...
back here again. Good house.
Sorry?
I would come back here again.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I would. Tapos, mayroong pampakusyon. Oh, I think this goes outside. This is...
Yeah.
Yeah, outside. Yan. May mga pakusyon, guys. Dito na ulit ako sa labas, guys. Kaya lang ang hirap i-video ng labas. Ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung picture, guys, ng labas. Dito na ako titira. Dito talaga titira. Ang layo nito. Mga 1 hour 30 minutes from home. Pero yeah, okay lang. Hala, uy! Nakaka-happy. Yay! Nag-text ako sa mga invite. Sinend ko sa kanila yung picture. Sabi ko, ang ganda! Oh, Gordon, I don't know. Maybe.
That's my week of five, man.
See. Oh, yeah. Granite Island.
Yeah, that's the bar.
Where?
Just take some photos of you of that in the background.